Now that you've learned how to change file permissions and execute commands as the super user, it's time to put this into practice. In this lecture, we'll create a new user account named John Doe and a new group called developers that we'll use in the following lecture to illustrate a bit more precisely file permissions and ownership. Now, in your terminal window, type in the following command that will add a new user to the system. From here, type in a new password and a full name and simply press enter to ignore the other fields. To the last question, is the information correct? Press the letter Y followed by enter once again. You can now list the entries of the home directory using the ls command to make sure that the new user was successfully created. Now that we have a new user account, let's create a new group using the group add command. We can make sure that the developers group was successfully added to the system by printing the last few lines of the group file using the tell command. And finally, we'll use the user mod command, which allows to modify a user account in order to add the developers group to our newly created John Doe account and to our current account. You can now easily verify that this operation was successful by running the tell command on the group file once again. If you successfully managed to create both, well, congratulations and see you in the next lecture.